unbox my new camera. Until now, I've been using my phone camera, but I want an upgrade. Today, I'm unboxing my brand new Canon EOS R7 mirrorless camera. Up until now, I've been filming all my videos on my iPhone. I actually love using my phone because it's so easy to edit and upload directly. Plus, I carry the phone with me and I can work on my videos at any time. But sometimes, like now, storage becomes a real struggle, especially when memory runs out at the worst possible moment. I have to be deleting other videos or photos to clear memory for my videos. So after a lot of research, I finally decided to upgrade. Now, I'm not a camera expert, photographer, or videographer, so I won't get too technical about the science behind everything this camera can do. But what I can tell you is that after extensive research, this camera checked all the boxes for me as a content creator. So what is inside the box? This kit includes the warranty card, instruction manual, battery charger, you can see here. The battery, the camera strap, it comes with one lens, the Canon RFS 18-150 millimeters. The name is too long for me to say it, but you will see it here. And of course, the camera body itself and everything else you are seeing in this unboxing. Why I chose the EOS R7? Well, choosing a camera was honestly overwhelming. There are so many great options out there from brands like Sony, Fujifilm, and Nikon. For me, it came down to these three Canon models: Canon EOS R7, Canon EOS R8, and Canon EOS R50V. The model EOS R50V is the newest release and is designed specifically for content creators. I was inclined to that one at first. However, from what I've seen so far, it still needs some improvements and hasn't received the most positive feedback from video creators. It's heavy. Wow. Really like it. I'm so happy. EOS R7. My hands are small. When comparing the models previously mentioned, the EOS R7 really stood out to me because of features like the microphone and headphone mini jacks, dual memory card slot, in-body image stabilization, great for handheld recording. I like that. Fast and reliable autofocus, 4K 60p video, high-speed shooting, recording time longer than 30 minutes. I'll definitely be testing that soon. A fully articulating flip-out screen that is super helpful when filming myself. I also really love that it has a viewfinder and a joystick. And overall, I'm impressed with both the video and photography quality it offers. A quick note. This camera was originally launched in 2022, if I'm not mistaken, so it's not the newest model. But sometimes not the newest doesn't mean not the best. For my needs, it feels like the perfect balance. There is also a creator kit version available for this camera, but unfortunately is currently out of stock. I am honestly so excited to start filming with this camera and see how my videos improve. If you are a content creator, what camera are you using right now? Let me know in the comments. I'm really curious to hear your experience. And that's it for this video. See you next time. Bye!